So today we came to the horse racing. I mean, this is
the what? The horse racing. Hey guys, we've decided to do something a little bit different. This is right outside of San Sebastian. There's actually a horse track here, so we're gonna go see what this is all about. Sandra's apparently been here before.
Yes, the last time I think I was here, I was like about 15 years old. I came here with my parents, and it was pretty exciting. So I just wanted to see how this is still done, and you know, as an alternative plan, if you're here on a Sunday afternoon and you don't know what to do, or you have seen it, or you think you've seen it all, this is something that is feasibly pretty close to San Sebastian and can be done easily. Yes.
And so, I guess with any kind of luck, you might be able to come here and pay for your vacation.
That's true. So
there's always that option.
Yeah,
so
sure.
we're gonna go try to win a Tesla Model 3. How about that? So stand by. We'll show you what it's like in there. The used solar panels. That's pretty cool. I'm all about that. Keeping down the CO2 is a good thing. Always. So whenever I can find a place that's like this that actually uses that, I like to point it out because that is a very good thing for our kids and our grandkids and grandkids from grandkids. So there you go. Awesome. I guess these are the young ones that are doing the race on their horses. That's a pretty one. And that's a little one, but pretty as well. Muy bien. Son though. Weather this time of year kind of be more like this. We're it's a lot of overcast and rainy, kind of like Vancouver, I would say. Temperature's probably around 65 or so, I'm guessing. So we're gonna go get some snacks, probably some wine, and then we're gonna go find the place to make our bets. So there's a lot of cool stuff here. Bathrooms, of course.
Hi, okay, so one thing to take into account is if you come here and you do this, there are little stands next to the sitting areas with ladies that give you the program for the day. So you have like a summary of all the races that are gonna take place, and right across is where you can, underneath the sitting areas is where you actually go and place your bets. Bets, I'm sorry.
A little bit of an accent issue. That's okay. We understand you. I love it. Now, is that any of that in English?
Not this one, but I mean,
okay.
They might be available.
Yeah, we could probably find some in English, I'm sure. So let's get some
on the
snacks.
web, the information were in English.
On the web, the information was in English, so that's something to keep in mind. So here's something cool, guys. Just bought me a beer here, Indian Pale Ale. Of course, I like my IPAs. But this one is from a brewing company that's in Petaluma, California, and Chicago, Illinois. So it's an American beer all the way over here. It's quite interesting. I used to hang out in Petaluma for a couple of weeks doing some Coast Guard schooling. So that was pretty cool to find that here. So the first race was pretty exciting. Our horse started off, well, the one I picked, number 2, started off behind number 4, which had a massive lead from the get-go. So he's a quick out the chute, I would say. But number 2 came back around and came very, very close to winning, but he was number 2, which means he's the first loser. So we didn't win any money on that one. Let's try the next one and see how that works out.
Good position, Dad.
Second is pretty good, as long as you're, I guess he's the first loser.
Dad.
So he's number 1 in the loser bracket. There we go. And they're off. Not sure what's going on, but they're off. Okay, one got way late in the gate. One came out really late. Probably the one I bet on. Probably. The 7's up front. Okay, my horse I bet on, number 7 right there. He's up front. But he's getting passed up by number 3. Number 4 is way behind. So I'm kind of new to this horse racing thing, and I've watched, this is my second one, and I realized that it doesn't get exciting until the last little stretch. So I'll just wait for that. I'm not going to get excited about anything until the last stretch, and then I'll get excited. Number 7's winning. Come on, number 7. Keep it up. Keep it up. Keep it up. Come on. Come on. Come on, number 7. Yes. That's the first bet I've ever won in a horse race. One more step towards a Tesla. There he goes, number 7. Woo! I just found out he wasn't even a favorite. I just picked number 7 because I like number 7. That's kind of what I do. We'll see how much I won. I probably won about €5, maybe. So with my $2 bet, I won. So $2 bet, I won how much?
15, 20.
16.20. There we go. I'm on my way. So they're going again. We got one more race after this, and then we're going to head to the house. But
this is so exciting. I forgot my binoculars.
here they come down the final stretch. Or the only stretch. Well, the back stretch was the other one, I think. That's my horse, Amethyst. So we're on our way out. We've done our thing. Now we've got over here, they've got a little kids area so the kids can ride some horses. Right over there. Little pony rides, I guess, around this little track. And
so we won 2 out of 4. So exciting.
So what? Okay, so we spent how much?
No, it's about the same. Yeah, it's about the same because we have several bets because our kids bet on certain numbers, we bet on other numbers. So in the end, it's pretty even, okay. Because we don't bet a lot of money. So it's $2 per bet. Yes. So it's really not.
The actual one that won that I wanted it to win, I told Sandra to bet everything we have on number 7, and number 7 won. She didn't. I hope we got more than $2. Because €2 is what she just bet. But we won 16 out of that, so that's not too bad. And then she won another 16. I think after, minus the couple of beers we had, minus the entry fee, snacks, we're probably, what, spent maybe €5?
5 or 10 euros, yeah.
In total?
Yeah, not too bad.
Couple hours, quite fun. Fun to see, fun to do, great experience. So,
see you next time.
We'll see you next time on our little adventures, Shimbo Adventures. We make the mistakes for you.